wanted to show the hot rod water heater conversion kit again. Give a little update because I'm pretty amazed. I'm the only one that showers in here. Candace goes up to the shower house here because it's just right across the grass, and she likes to run the hot water the whole time while she's showering. You just can't do that in an RV. So while she has a shower, she uses it. I did a couple videos on this. I'm not going to go into how you hook it up and everything again, but that's it. You just stick it to the back of your hot water tank. It's got a thermostat. Plug it in and you got hot water all the time. But I want to show you, last time I got propane, I did a video. It's when we was boondocking around town. I got propane on March 15th. And today is Monday what is today? Today's Monday the 9th. So, almost a month. No, almost 2 months. Almost 2 months since I filled propane. Okay, and I cook with the stove. I don't know, I cook probably at least 4 to 5 nights a week. I cook with the stove. But I'm going to show you what amazed me. Just cooking. I don't know if you can even read that. I'm going to try to get it close. We're a little over about, what, 2/3. So yeah, I mean, how can you beat that? So I'm hooked up, I'm paying for electric, and now I'm running my hot water off electric, and we're using no propane just to cook. I mean, with what I got in there, I think I have enough to last, I don't know, I mean, if I'm hooked up, I've got enough to last at least 2 or 3 more months, easily. Now, if we was on the road, the fridge would be running off propane, so it's not going to last probably near as long. But once we hit the road, we're going to get solar, and I'm going to try to run the hot water heater off of the solar. So, I mean, whenever we're driving, if we're driving during the day, whenever we stop, we're always going to have hot water. So, yeah, pretty awesome. But anyway, guys, as soon as Candace gets home this evening, we are going to try to make some caramel and chocolate dipped marshmallows.
Heck yeah!
We used to buy them at, what's it called? Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. I think they're all over the country, I don't know. But it's just like, it's a little chocolate place. They make chocolate and fudge right in the store. It's a really good chocolate. But they used to have these marshmallows that was dipped in caramel and chocolate. We went to get them again a month, 2 months ago, and the girl said that a new manager took over and he didn't want to make them. So they don't make them anymore. But anyway, we're going to try to make them, so we'll see how it works out. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little while.
Heck yeah! Hey guys.
What's up? We are going to make some, what are they? Caramel chocolate marshmallows.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not big marshmallow people all the time, but we love the caramel chocolate dipped marshmallows, so we're going to try to make our own and see how it works out.
They were awesome.
I have no idea. It says just microwave the caramel and microwave the chocolate and then dip it. But I think we're going to have to do the marshmallows in the caramel and then let them dry.
Yeah.
And then dip it in the chocolate. So we're going to try that. don't get it. It never looked like, it's just starting to look like caramel.
Unless they can do chocolate covered marshmallows. I don't know, maybe it's.
That did not work at all. This bowl's probably ruined.
Yeah, I know. Where's the spoon? Try the chocolate.
Okay, here we go. Maybe that's why that place quit doing it, because it's very hard to do. Oh well, we made a few. Not hard yet.